Episode 2 of Lessons Learned from Running My Own Business. Today we are talking about the woman in the red dress.
Were you listening to me, Neo? Or were you looking at the woman in the red dress? I was. Look again.
This is a hard thing to say, but it's true. If I look at the hours I've been working and where I'm currently at with my business, I should be way further ahead. But the thing is, I was spending too much time going after the woman in the red dress, the new shiny opportunities. I would be creating random website directories or small SaaS websites to test out different niches, or even start a second company in a whole different niche, aka Softflask. What does selling Softflask have to do with my SEO company? Nothing, but that's the thing. I was busy focusing on the shiny opportunities, thinking I was being productive, but I was actually just being busy. If I had spent all that time on one business, I would have been further ahead. So the lesson I learned from chasing the woman in the red dress, the new shiny opportunities is, growth happens by doing the boring stuff over and over again. Don't go and chase a new shiny opportunity every month. Learn from my mistakes and follow along, as episode 3 will be about tracking, because at the end of the day, you can't improve what you're not tracking.